Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to play Minecraft. Now in order to play Minecraft, you'll first need to purchase the game from either Microsoft, like Minecraft is owned by Microsoft, so you will have to purchase it from either Xbox game, like from here, or you'll have to do it from their or you'll have to buy it from the Microsoft store. Now, since I already own Minecraft from here, if I launch it from there, yeah, sure, sign in for free. Yeah, once you're done with purchasing Minecraft, then you can start playing Minecraft. Just going to play, get into a server, your own server, try realms plus free for 30 days. You can add friends, right like that, yeah, and all of that. And that's how you play Minecraft. Create a new world, create a new world, and then we'll make it creative, because why not? Create and none. We are now gonna hop into Minecraft, and then we can play Minecraft. It's as simple as that. It's just loading the world for us, and once it's done loading, it's gonna put us right in the middle of that Minecraft world. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.